Flying aluminum, flying aluminum. I do not want to lift weights right now, that's for sure. Good, they just knocked 5 pounds off for me. Ha 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 ha. Come on, chain. Ah, yeah. Plus 86 of 7 or whatever. Man, it's the gift that keeps on giving, YouTube. Rooster. Where's the rooster? YouTube. So, I don't have to go do this job until after 4, so I went to a different apartment. Just looking for metal, and I just seen a trash truck like a block and a half from here, so they might be coming over here shortly. I'm still gonna see if I can find some metal real fast. Let's get it, guys. Check this out, YouTube. Wave high for the camera. I forgot this fridge was here the other day. I haven't been here in like 2 or 3 days, and it's still here. Yeah, we're gonna load this baby up quickly because we don't know if a trash truck is coming. They wouldn't be taking this anyways, but yeah. We're gonna put this right here in this hole. Earlier I was rushing because I thought I had to go remove this furniture at 2, and I forgot he told me yesterday wait till after 4. So we got time to get a refrigerator and whatnot. Going down. Dun dun dun. Da, 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 da. You know what time it is, Mr. Fridge? You gotta wait for a couple days, but we came back for you. Don't play difficult, buddy. You're going with us. Every fridge must go, YouTube. Like we always do about this time. Yo, let's see here. Some TV boxes. I don't see nothing great. There's a whole freaking like massage chair, but most of that is not metal. There's a healthy freaking case, or a Bosch. Hold up. We're at least gonna check. I guarantee there's no tool in there. It is Bosch, cool. Rotary hammer, it says it right on there. I wish we could pull the guts out of this like that and not have to actually do any work for it. Yeah. This has got to be just the case, or it's a broken rotary hammer, one of the two. I think I got one exact. Yeah, this is empty. Come on, man, leave the hammer in there sometimes. Bosch oil. We'll keep the oil, why not? Yeah, there ain't much going on here, guys. I see a roll of wire. That's like nothing. Steel weight. I told y'all there was cats in this dumpster the other day. Is this even worth doing this right now? It's like 1 pound of steel. Nothing, man, nothing. Well, we got a pound of steel, YouTube. All right, on to the next one. Hey guys, they hit a microwave on the other side. I didn't know that was here. Come on, microwave on the other side. You guys need a beanbag chair? I don't know if I put it on my channel, but I did a junk removal like 2.5 weeks ago in Essex, and a guy had one of them big giant beanbag chairs, huge, and I had to strap it to the back of the lift gate because it was so big, and it was sticking off my truck like 4 feet. It looked crazy. All right, on to the next one. I'm gonna cut this cord. Hey, check these straps out. I think I showed these on my channel already a couple times. They're called torque strap. My brother bought them for me, of course. You the man, bro. But so they torque, obviously, torque strap. There's a spring on them, so if your load shifts, it springs tighter, meaning it's not going to loosen up like other straps do. Other straps, if your load shifts, you lose it because you lose the tightness. Like if the fridge moves, it'll get real loose and be flattened. These will tighten up better, so they're awesome. He also got me the tie balls. Okie dokie, YouTube. So I rode around like a whole nother apartments and didn't find anything whatsoever. It actually looks really cleaned up for once. I'm getting this dryer out of my storage unit. There's a little bit of aluminum from them lawnmowers and a trash can with a little bit of wires and crap. And I still don't have a full load, but I need to find some more metal. Okay guys, this is not much wire at all. I probably won't even take all this right now. Actually, maybe I can cut these up and get rid of them. So I'm trying to get rid of more crap that I've been stashing because we're moving. And I want to close this up soon. I got all these ACs, but I don't feel like breaking these window units down right now. I got like 5 of them. We're going to throw all this aluminum in there. Lawnmower motor casings. Fine aluminum, fine aluminum. This one's heavy. It's still got motor pieces on there. Definitely heavy. Angry. Sheesh. Heavier than I thought. And I remember. That's awesome. Okay guys, I just climbed up in here, cut back these frames, threw them up there in order to make a hole right here. I hear change in this baby, so I'm gonna pull the back off, and I think I heard it in the front, and I'm not sure how to get these out, the front panel off, but I'm about to. Screws on top of screws on top of screws on. There's a lot of lint in this one. Look at that. A lot. I tilted it back, hoping the change falls this way. If there's change. Whoa, we got a call. To be continued, guys. Okay, guys, that's another stove we gotta go get right back where I started off. And a microwave. Sheesh, it's hard out here. So them guys, oh man, there's one. lots of lint in this guy. Them guys were calling me like 2 days to pick up these appliances, but I was busy. I told them I'll be there as soon as possible. And now today I finally got over there. Come on, I know I heard a bunch of change. Maybe it's up front, or maybe I'm wrong. Where's the millions at, bro? Where's the millions at? There's a quarter, a penny. All right, it's on the side, guys. We didn't do all this for nothing. Sheesh, man. Both sides, quarters, both sides. The reason I do this all the time is because a dude on Facebook was like, make sure you take them apart. There's gold and stuff in them sometimes, like necklaces, rings, whatever. We got 87 cents. Ballin'. On to the next one, guys. Am I getting annoying yet? So I just shook this thing because I knew I heard a bunch of change in there. I shook it real good while it was open, and I heard an avalanche of coins. Ready, watch. That's probably everything. It was more than I seen originally though. 1, 2, 3, 4. All kinds of change. We even got a no cash value coin. Much more than whatever I said the first time. Much more. Plus 86 or 7 or whatever. Man, it's the gift that keeps on giving, YouTube. You know what I mean? All right, let's get it. About time. Okay, we're about 5 minutes from this next pickup. 1 microwave, 1 stove or dryer or something. We got a pocket full of change. And I took all of the stove wires that I've been saving up, and I just threw them in a trash can, guys. I'm going to scrap them today. A little bit of non-ferrous. Let's go load this up and I guess head to the scrapyard afterwards. It's not a real full load, but that's okay, YouTube. Okie dokie. There's supposed to be 47 and 87, I believe. 2 different addresses. The maintenance dude's supposed to be out here waiting for me too. 87 and be way down here somewhere. I was just here earlier. I started here. Let's go load the areas over there. I'll see him. Oh, he might have 2 units out there, guys. What? Oh my gosh, I see. Oh, he's just taking one out, I believe, and switching it with a new one. Shoot. There it is. Okay, guys. Got this stove on here, and I'm gonna attempt to take this plastic dishwasher, because one other time I had one and the guy at the Joppa yard said I could throw it in there. I told them I'll try, and if they don't take it, I'll bring it back. And they said, all right, let's get it, guys. Oh, there's a microwave over there, right there, that little thing. I'm gonna get that microwave too, and then we're heading to the yard. Okay, YouTube, let's go get on this scale. My buddy Carl just said he had like 3 fridges and 3 stoves. It is 2:15 and I have a job to do it for after 4. So I really gotta hurry up. Let's hurry up and get on this scale and get this stuff gone. We are looking at roughly 71.60, guys. That's not bad. Let's go throw it out quick as we can. Money shot, money shot. Come on, stove. More change. It's everywhere. We taking it all, God. Take it all. Come on, baby. Big old murder. Come on, microwave. Aluminum, aluminum, aluminum. I think that's a non-fair. Aluminum, 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 aluminum. All right, guys, I'll get more footage in a little bit. We almost done.
First right.
Boy, are we gonna be able to fly to Wampler, which is like 15 minutes away, load up 6 appliances, cut all the stuff off, come here dumping and be back there in an hour and 20 minutes. Probably. It's what we do. $61.20. I think this car's leaving and I can go do this little bit of non-ferrous. So we got about 1,000 pounds, guys. Okie dokie, YouTube. 7160 to 6120 is 1,040 pounds. Steel weight, steel weight, steel weight. We had wire, 39 pounds, $29.25. Not bad. Iron extrusions, $5.40. Sealed units, $4.60. $3.96 for cast ferrous aluminum, and then aluminum clean was $12.40. The motor was the ferrous. For a grand total, 120, 35, 135. Not bad, not bad. I ran all over the world for that. Now we're going to get 6 appliances, I believe. Let's get it, YouTube. We'll be there in 13 minutes. We have a job to do like 1 hour after that, so we're in a hurry. Easy day, guys, easy day. Hey, this won't come out for about 2 weeks. Shout out to Cisco down there in Texas, tearing down greenhouses, military grade. He told me they had, I think, 5/8 inch thick welded steel, not angled, the whole square. Poles all through there, 1/4 inch thick angle iron, like hundreds of dollars in blades, and you couldn't use a torch out there. Good money, buddy. Working day and night to get that thing torn down, bro. You the man, Cisco. Okay, guys, so the junk removal guy just said he's home now, and it's only 2:45. Yesterday he told me not till after 4 p.m. so I think I'm gonna pick up all this stuff and take it to my storage unit so I don't have to run to the yard, break it all down. That'll take over an hour. We're gonna go throw everything in the unit and then head to tear out some old vintage, nasty looking furniture, but it's okay. As long as we get paid for it, we'll get rid of it. No questions asked, buddy. Okay, guys, we're here right now. It's a couple fridges and stoves. 1, 2, 3 stoves, a fridge. Oh, I got my trash can. We're gonna make room and pack everything in there as quick as we can, and then head out because we're in a hurry. Meanwhile, back at the ranch, one of them fridges had like lunch meat in it, 1 pack, and it is not cool to have that in there. Dropping these babies off, heading to get some furniture. I did this halfway so that way I don't have to keep up, down, starting the truck, stopping it. So you would think that would be harder, but not taking it off. Loading it, yes. Taking it off, no. Okay, ready. Oh yeah, I changed the gas dryer yesterday, or 2 days ago at night. And it wasn't this exact size adapter, but it wasn't simple to get it off, switch it out, use the putty, etc, etc. Come on, Brassola. Come on, Brassola. There we go. Yeah, you see how this is like, this one looks 3/4 or 5/8. The one I had was like 1/2 inch or 5/8. It was short, smaller. That's Brassola too. Here's more Brassola. Boom. Alright guys, I'm gonna load this up and head out. Wave high for the camera. Good morning, good morning. So, stayed at the new house today. There's the old truck now. The starter on this thing is acting up. I ordered a new one and then it started fine like 8 times in a row. So I take the starter back and exchange it or whatever, get a refund. Then the starter's acting up. It'll start fine sometimes and won't the next time. Me and my brother did a junk removal yesterday. He helped me in Essex, Maryland. It took us like 45 minutes to get rid of all this antique furniture. Smells like nasty cats. Stayed at the new house. This could be a carport in the future. I'm going to the landfill and then we got a whole bunch of scrap pickups to do. Let's get it, let's get it, let's get it, let's get it, guys. Let's get it, let's get it. So if you check this out, I'm not complaining, I'm happy. It's our first house we own. The driveway is insanely tight. I was telling Cisco and Salvaging in AZ, insanely tight retaining walls on each side. I started busting this one down, and I actually started busting this one and realized it's probably the neighbors, and they got a hill, so they might not want me to. But look, I can't just make a left. There's a curb. and there's cars parked directly across the street. So I gotta drive off the curb, which that has to stop immediately. And I started busting this wall out, and I think I already recorded that, but it's a pet peeve. I don't like it at all because I don't want to hit my truck, obviously. All right, let's go to the landfill and empty this truck, guys. Good morning, Seagull. Good morning, gentlemen. You guys got a whole audience out there already. Let's go throw everything out, guys. Throw this out now, guys. Flying down the hill. Dukes of Baltimore. I'm going to my storage unit to get a heavy tow chain and meet a guy up Home Depot. He wants to buy this chain for 50 bucks. And I'm pricing up grass seed for a topsoil job. It's like 7 yards. It's going to be so much work. It's 1,124 square feet of topsoil at 2 inches deep, and then it gets seed and hay on top. 1 yard weighs approximately 1,200 pounds, so moving 8,400 pounds of topsoil. All right, guys, let's get it. Okay, we're going to go load this chain up and then run to Home Depot. I'm supposed to be at Depot right now. It's like 6 minutes from here or less, including lights. Let's get it, let's get it, let's get it. Oh my gosh, I forgot that I stopped here and put 3 refrigerators and a stove in here yesterday. What? I gotta get that chain from under that ladder as fast as I can, load it up and go. Come on, chain. Hey, we got some computers and radio parts. That works. There's the chain, guys. Sorry about the angle sometimes. We're coming back, fridges, don't you worry. We got all this other stuff to get first. You know what? Leaving this baby here. Hang out with the rest of the trash cans. We'll be back. Sheesh. All right, let's go. Yeah, so the guy's waiting for me in an Isuzu box truck. Of course, there's 8,000 cars and trucks on Philadelphia Road for the local people, Route 7. Home Depot's right up here in the shopping center, like a half a mile on the left. Home Depot, prices are just the beginning. Isuzu box truck, where you at, buddy? Hey, this will be the 3rd one of these chains I sold for free. I got them all for free. There's a box truck over there. There's one up here, and I don't know which one it is. YouTube. I met a dude in a box truck. I sold the chain, and then he wants me to get rid of a tree trunk. He said there's a lot of sand and stone in there, so it's not easy to cut it up. And he gave me his address. It's not far from here. He's gonna get in touch with me, and he said he's got a buddy that sells box trucks cheap with low mileage, all this good stuff. And I was telling him I want a box truck in the future. It's good to network and meet people, guys. It's who you know. It ain't how hard you work sometimes, because I work hard. And all right, let's go check out grass prices. Okie dokie, guys. There's miles of different kinds of grass seed, all kinds of stuff at Depot. I need to cover roughly 1,200 square feet. This is a rapid grass tall fescue mix, covers 1,845 square feet. $33, not bad. There's more over here. Then shade one around $33. Okay, now I need some bales of hay. This is the garden section. I don't think I ever put this on my channel. You guys been to Home Depot, you know what it looks like. And then they got hay somewhere as well. I gotta find that, and then we're gonna go get some appliances, guys. The spring season is upon us. Oh my gosh, I'm so happy. Boy. There we go, there we go, there we go. Bales of hay. Seeding straw, $14. Not bad, not bad. All right, we have all our depot info. Okay, YouTube, I'm going to pick up. Yesterday after I did this job, the guy stopped me in a van. He said he had a bunch of metal at a dumpster at a house right back behind this neighborhood. So we're gonna go there now, see what he's got, load it up and fly out of here as fast as we can. We're almost there now, guys. So right there is where we did the job yesterday. This house is up here on the left. My aunt, that where I just removed all that lawn furniture and stuff, she used to live right here a long time ago. Here's the dumpster right here. He said there's a bunch of metal in these orange dumpsters. I want to turn around kinda. Yeah, I don't know how, but we're gonna get as much as we can as fast as we can, guys. Yeah, he's got a bunch of metal. Shoot, a lot. The whole yard. Yeah, it looks like everything here. Man, this might fill my whole truck up, actually. Wow, look at all this metal, guys. It's a plethora. There's a Buddha. There's a metal Buddha. Yeah, it doesn't look like they threw any metal in the dumpster. I squeezed in really, really tight. I'm gonna pile all this up in that corner. We're gonna load this as tight as we can and head out. Sheesh. Okay, this came from yesterday's job, but I'm breaking it up before I go to the yard, not after, to get rid of it, basically. Let's get it, guys. I organized everything too. Okay, guys, I'm throwing this in here as fast as I can. It's a lot of metal still. If I want to go to Al Metals, I would have to leave in 20 minutes. I might stay here, try to get as much as I can and take it to what's it called instead, Joppa. But yeah, there's so much. He said there's a tub out back. There's a lot, more than I expected. And the reason I'm in a hurry is because I told another dude I'll come pick all these appliances up today. So we gotta go, we gotta get it. Sheesh, man. Hey, I'm still here. There's so much more left still. There's weights up here. There's a little bit of weights right there. I don't think I can get all these in one day, honestly. But I'm trying, guys. I do not want to lift weights right now, that's for sure. Good, they just knocked 5 pounds off for me. Ha 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 ha. We're not running out of room yet, but we're getting there, that's for sure. All right, guys, I'm gonna keep loading and wrap this up and fly to the yard as soon as possible. Probably have to come back too. Weeder, we're getting big on this channel, y'all. I haven't wanted to lift weights in a couple years now, that's for sure. Hashtag dad bod. Ooh boy. All right, guys, I don't know how much this is gonna be. Some of it is Stelium. Shout out Salvaging and AZ. We definitely packed it in there, but there's a lot of little holes in there as well because of a couple little wrought iron, but it's got some weight on it for sure. There's a lot of computers, there's all kind of stuff in there. Let's go to the yard and see what we do. Still got all this left, but when I got here, there was a wall here and the porch. There's still an elliptical up there. There's an old stove, pellet stove, all kind of stuff. And out back is a tub. I told him I'll come back tomorrow, bro, because we're going to get appliances after this. Let's get it, let's get it, let's get it, let's get it. Sheesh. We'll be at the yard in like 5 minutes. Let's go empty this truck. I want this to be a ton, but I have no idea how much it's gonna really be. Hopefully a ton. It feels heavy. We are looking at 7,800. I'm guessing about 1,800 pounds, guys, roughly. Probably less because the computers will be non-ferrous. Let's go empty this truck. The car. Okay. I'm doing it in reverse, guys. Same thing backwards. You good, buddy? No problem, man. There's a rooster. We don't want a rooster. We do not want a rooster. Real old Jack. Come on, baby. Everything must go. There we go. Come on, KitchenAid. Whoa, chair's falling. Dangerous. Dangerous. Another freaking rooster. What's up with all these roosters? Bugak! Bugak! Keep going, keep going, keep going. This thing's made out of copper and brass. I'm keeping it. It's a fountain. It's old as crap though, but it's still a fountain. Still going, guys. My camera reset earlier. That's why I stopped. So yeah, I'm gonna keep throwing everything out. Get more footage when we're done. The sickle. Shing. Launching it, launching it, launching it. Yeah, these people had way too many knickknacks at their house. Like way too many. I understand a couple things, but sheesh. Unfair. Alright guys, I'll get footage in a minute. Man guys, that was an insane pile. And it literally took me like 25 minutes to unload, which is a lot, a whole lot. I got a stack of computers in the back, a little bit of aluminum, a couple real small radiators. I'm gonna go turn it all in and then we'll see what we get. There, got a couple guys in line, so it's gonna take a minute. We are looking at $61, $60, $80. Decent amount, guys, decent amount. Man, there's like 5 trucks over here right now for the non-ferrous line. Okie dokie, YouTube. For the full truck of crap, we had 7,800 pounds to 6,180 equaled 1,620 pounds total. I thought it was more than that. That's that stellium Salvaging in Arizona was telling y'all about. Non-ferrous radiators was $6.80, 40 cents for a little bit of stainless steel. $42 in computers, 168 pounds. 6 pounds of sheet aluminum, $2.74 for sealed units, $8.25 for some wire. A little bit of brass was $2.10. They take a fee for a grand total. 120, 40, 60, 85, 91. 191, that ain't bad. Oh my gosh, that took a couple hours. That was harder than it looked. I was sweating. I'm not finished. I'm going back hopefully tomorrow. Everything must go, YouTube. Let's get it, let's get it. Thank you all for watching my channel. I do appreciate every single one of you. Okay, YouTube, we literally just left the scrapyard. I'm coming to get this fridge. My buddy called me multiple times about this refrigerator today. I told him I'll be there as soon as I'm done. One fridge, and then afterwards we're flying over to some other apartments where my other buddy has more stuff for us. So we need to hurry up, guys. This better not be a yuck fridge. I don't think it is. I'm gonna load this up and go, YouTube, quick as possible. Okay, there's a little bit of metal next to the dumpster, like a bed frame or something. We want that as well. We want that as well. Every fridge must go. I'm gonna strap that in. Here's a bed frame. Did they put the dumpster on top of that? Yeah. Why do you guys do that? Why do you guys do that? I might be able to cut it real quick or just pull it. I'm gonna load this up and head out, guys. Quickly now, quickly now, quickly now. Okay, we got the refrigerator and a bed frame on here. That's huge. I gotta cut it up to take less space. Now we're getting a freezer, and he said some other metal, I don't know what, but there's a dumpster, a 30-yard dumpster. Let's go see what the man's got for us. It is 5:03 p.m. It's late. Okay, they do got a little metal in there, like a pool ladder. There's some stuff up in that dumpster. There's some wire, some tables. I don't think the tables go, but if he wants me to take them, I'm taking them in a little freezer. It ain't big. Alright, this is that oddly huge shaped bed frame we're gonna chop up or take apart with the hex keys. He said these tables, anything I want, take it. I think these are solid aluminum because I took them last year. He said everything's trash. We're gonna take that baby, this baby, Yeah, these are aluminum. I got these last year. Cool. All these doors, that pool ladder, and there might be some stuff in there. We're going to get that as well. I bet you when I leave here it's dark. I'm gonna take this apart, break everything down, pack it in there nice and tight, guys. Let's get it. Huh. It's not a game out here. YouTube. This guy is using his bare hands like channel locks. Bare hands. Crescent wrench thumbs. Ouch, that one didn't feel good. Yeah. See what I mean? Whoa, the bed is trying to attack us. Ouch. Okay, I'm gonna keep breaking this down. Bare hands. Check this out. This is from the last big old job I did in Essex, Maryland. That it had a pump in it. I think I showed it real quick earlier. But it's all copper. It's all copper, and then brass for the spigot, I believe. Them people were kind of pack ratty over there, I'll tell you that much. Sometimes the angles look crazy, and I'm trying to not do that as much. If you got a lot of stuff at your house, fill some totes up and get rid of it, guys. You'll thank me in the long run. Okay, so this unbolts, but then how you get this off? You just break it. Okay, that works. It had a pump, so it obviously they have probably, it's one of them like floating things where the water drops in here and then pumps out and comes back out. It keeps coming, but there's no, it's like floating in midair, and everybody's like, whoa, you got a floating fountain with no water supply. But yeah, this copper, we're gonna get the brass as well, because that's what we do on Junk and Grind. We grind real hard. Brassola, Capola. All right, now to the freezer. Capola. There's a Maryland special in here. There's an MD special up here. Right here. Yo. Aluminum pool thing. Aluminum door. Sliding screen door frame. We want all of it. How much? All of it. All of it. Every door must go, guys. Every door must go. I'm gonna rip that from down there so I don't get hurt. These are aluminum, I think. Basically, we're gonna get some more metal out of this thing. Put it like that. Yeah, we sure are. It's getting dark and cold. We're getting that MD special. We're getting all this aluminum. We're getting that freezer. There's the guys that own that other dumpster over there that I jump in sometimes. All right, we'll get more footage in a little bit, guys. Okay, guys, I just now left at 6:30. It's daylight savings time last weekend. That's why it's not dark. I did not take them tables apart. I remembered they get spray painted and put on marketplace because it's springtime. So he switches them out from the pool each year. The last time I did it, one of them broke. That's why I broke it down. But I did spray paint one and sell it. So yeah, we're not going to recycle it for 14 bucks if we can sell it for 60 or whatever. We're off for today, guys. I'm extremely tired and sore. We'll get more footage in the morning.